Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the Anabolic Foodie Show. In this channel, we'll be making tasty anabolic meals and snacks that will help you lose weight. We will also be doing and reviewing other people's anabolic recipes and doing anything in the fitness industry. These are replacement meals and snacks for the high calorie foods that will ruin your diet. That's what the anabolic diet does, guys. It's to satisfy the cravings of the high calorie foods so you won't need a cheat meal. All of my recipes got low calories, high protein, and a lot of flavor. Most of my recipes got similar macros to the chicken, rice, and veggie meals. If you're eating chicken, rice, and veggies back to back and you do not get tired of it, this video may not be for you. More chicken, rice, and veggies for you. But for most of us, we are going to get tired of the diet sooner or later, and we are going to want that cheat meal. If you follow the chicken, rice, and veggie diet, that diet is going to work, I guarantee you. The thing that sucks about the chicken, rice, and veggie diet is that you have to follow it. But the anabolic diet works exactly the same way, guys. You have to follow it in order for it to work. What I've noticed is when you start eating the same thing every single day, that's when you start craving the cheat meals. If you eat a cheat meal, you're gonna set your diet back a lot and you're gonna notice it on your physique. If you're watching this video, it's because we have one similar goal, and that's either to lose weight or to stay fit. Our goal is not to eat good, guys. Our goal is to lose weight. But the anabolic diet lets you eat as good as possible while still losing weight. This diet has a lot of recipes that will crush that craving and not make you want a cheat meal. So in today's episode, we're going to be crushing one of your Carl's Jr. chili cheese fries cravings with the anabolic one. Alright guys, let's get going. Okay guys, for our first ingredient, we're going to need 450 grams of potato. Okay guys, I already have mine cut up and weighed out, 450 grams. And these are going to go in the air fryer for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, alright, let's go. Okay guys, these bad boys just came out of the air fryer for 20 minutes. Let's get to the next step. Alright. For our next ingredient, we're going to need Hormel chili turkey, no beans, 236 grams of it. Alright, let's go. Here's 236 grams of turkey chili already weighed out. We're going to put this in the microwave for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Depends on your microwave wattage. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, just came out of the microwave. Now we're gonna pour it evenly throughout the fries, okay guys? I just pour it evenly. That way you get the best. Okay guys, look at that right there. And let's get to the next step. Alright, let's go. Next step, we're gonna need 28 grams of your fat-free mild cheddar cheese. Okay guys, remember 28 grams. Alright, let's go. Here's 28 grams already weighed out, and just spread it evenly to the fries. And alright, let's go. Okay. Okay guys, it should look similar to that, and this is gonna go in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Okay guys, remember 2 minutes. Okay guys, it's been about 2 minutes, and let's try this bad boy out. It came out of the microwave, it's very hot. Okay guys, it's taste test time. Alright, look at this Carl's Jr. chili cheese fry anabolic dish. Alright, let's try this bad boy out. Man, this is one of my favorite dishes out there that'll keep you on your diet and all that stuff. Let's try this bad boy out, guys. Ooh, it's still hot. Look at that bad boy right there, huh? It's still hot, and I had to do a thumbnail. Look at the cheese pool right there, guys. Alright. Man, I've been eating this for a while. This thing is so good. When you hear the macros, you'll be like, nah, no way. I could fake this as one of my meals. Do it before workout. Man, this is so good, guys. And it's low in calories. It's gonna keep you on your fitness goals. And let's do this, guys. I'm doing another one right here. Oh, wow. Look at that right there, guys. Look at that cheese. Oh my God, guys. This is so good. This is Greek yogurt. It's not sour cream, guys. It's really good. It tastes just like sour cream, but with lower calories and higher protein, and you know how it goes. Okay, guys, let's get to the macros. Guys, these chili cheese fries are to die for. Guys, we got a winner chicken dinner. Just kidding, no more chicken dinners for me, guys. We're replacing the chicken dinners with Anabolic Carl's Jr. chili cheese fries. Guys, if you guys do it exactly the same way, The same way I did it, it's only 565 calories, 41 grams of protein, 3 grams of fat, 9 grams of fiber, and 97 grams of carbs. And those macros are not too chubby if you ask me. This recipe is gonna be like the potato chip. I bet you just can't eat one. If you just ate one, it's because you did it wrong. Guys, please make this recipe. I know you'll love it, but I know one thing that you'll like more than this recipe, and that's eating chili cheese fries while losing weight. Okay guys, comment below on how much you guys like the recipe, and also comment below on how much weight you guys started to lose, and I'll comment to everyone back. Okay guys, these recipes are hard to make and they're hard to figure out, and I have to pay for everything out of pocket. So if you want to support me, I do have this recipe on my cookbook, and I'll put a link on the description box below for purchase. If you want me to work on any specific recipe, please comment below and I'll work really hard on it. If you guys want to make more of my recipes, please check out one of my other recipe videos. Okay guys, remember, till next time, all the strong subscribe, share, like, and buy. Till next time, Manny out.